Right, got our oil filter pulled. I'm gonna go down and drain the oil. And while we're down there, we're gonna play Find the Clunk. Dun dun dun. All right, so here I am underneath the truck. And we got, this is interesting, there's a rag jammed into the engine mount. I don't know why that's there. Oh, there's part of it. So, because everybody decides to be loud, there's a rag here. That's an interesting location for spare keys. That's actually an original factory Mopar key. Anyway, probably shouldn't shoot that, but oh well, it's down here. You can see someone put one of those expandable replacement freeze plugs. I'm assuming because they don't know how to put a real freeze plug in. And this one next to it is leaking. That's not good. And this one here, you can't even tell if it's leaking because it's so covered in sludge and schmutz and grease. The oil pan is wet all the way around, as we can see. Hold on. There we go. We're leaking a little oil here at the fuel pump. Let's see what else we got while we're down here. I do want to go to the back in a bit and show the parking brake, as it's pretty worn and damaged and contaminated. We'll get to that in a moment. There was one other thing up here. We were talking about the clunk up here in the front suspension. There's like no bushing left in the leaf springs on either end. They're absolutely toast. So that would definitely be our clunk in the front suspension. So just put that on the list. All right, I'm gonna finish draining the oil, and then I will show the parking brake. All right. That oil's definitely seen some better days, but all in all, not too bad. Fiber washer on this drain plug. It's not exactly what I would use. We did get a new drain plug coming. It'll be here in a minute. Let's get that handled. Pretty new drain plug in. Mopar oil filter installed. Alright, gonna put oil in that baby. Right, all good after our oil change. No leakies from the oil change anyway. Be addressing that in the future. But nothing too crazy on the bypass there. I definitely would rather address those full flux first. And of course this master cylinder as well. But I'm going to go for a test right now. The oil change is done. Start the labeling around, and then go from there.